Just system test 20. You know, I'll start off with the Rafiki. Just like that. I'll put the key in there. Yeah, and do, what am I going to do? Put that in and do that. Yep, that works fine. I'm just going to spray that smoke detector with my thing. I'll do, yes, it's going to go off. It's going to go off. It's going to go off, yep, it is. Yep, it works fine. Yep, and I'll turn the thing back on, you know, and also I'll test my cycle cool point. Yeah, it works really well. Yep, it's reset. Yes, it is. I wouldn't push this one because it's glass. There's no, I know I'll put, yeah, it works fine. And this one, I'm not going to push this one either because it's glass. Because, yes, it works fine. Cool point's good. Yeah, pull it out. And this one's glass, it's also glass. It's going to be, yeah, it works fine. Yeah, perfect. Thank you for watching. And you know also, this one, if I push, I can silence it like that. And then, quickly turn it. And you know also, I know what to do with this one. This key, I can just use that end, stick it in, and then do, yeah, it works pretty well with it, doesn't it? And YouTubers, and you know also, this one, test it by the test key. And I'll stick it on, and this be a sweet. I like, yeah. I'll turn it off, lower the switch, and I'll take things nice and easy. I'll take the key out. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.